USB Autoscope MAP Manifold Absolute Pressure Sensor Testing. Malfunction symptoms: engine power reduction, high fuel consumption, poor engine performance, malfunction indicator lamp on, possible malfunction, failed MAP sensor. Appearance of the sensor. Wiring diagram of the absolute pressure sensor. We connect the black alligator clip to the vehicle body ground. We connect the back probe pin to the signal wire of the absolute pressure sensor. In the program menu, select MAP mode. Click Record. Start the engine and observe the signal at the output of the sensor. The sensor responds to changes in intake manifold pressure. The sensor is in good condition. And here is the signal of a faulty sensor. Conclusion: the sensor failed due to engine backfire, causing very high pressure in the intake manifold. The sensor may also fail due to oil or fuel vapors and sludge present in the manifold.